Above the hills of Galloway, where the heather meets the sky, the waters hold their secrets as the quiet years drift by. Stone and shadow whisper tales of kingdoms long ago. Loch Ken lies in stillness where the winds of memory blow. Sing, oh Loch Ken, your waters deep and true. Hills rise around you, crowned in morning dew. Echoes of the ancients drift upon your shore. Galloway remembers forever and evermore. From cairns upon the ridges to castles standing near, the voices of the past remain, if only we will hear. Reflections on your surface mirror sky and land, a timeless song of beauty held in nature's hand. Sing, oh Loch Ken, your waters deep and true. Hills rise around you, crowned in morning dew. Echoes of the ancients drift upon your shore. Galloway remembers forever and evermore. Serene and everlasting, your silence speaks so clear. A hymn of earth and history carried year to year. Sing, oh Loch Ken, your waters deep and true. Hills rise around you, crowned in morning dew. Ancient hearts still linger where your ripples pour. Galloway remembers forever and evermore.
So from the very picturesque Kenmure Castle in the Loch Ken area, thanks for watching the video. There will be a 360-degree video. You may be watching it right now that allows you to spin the whole view round about. So thanks for watching. Give me a wee thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, please. It doesn't cost you anything and it will help the channel to grow. It's growing very, very slowly by a few hundred subs a month. I'd like to see a few thousand subs a month if possible. And if you want to see some behind the scenes stuff, some footage that doesn't get put on the main channel for various reasons, then you could always join the channel as a member. It's only $1.99 or $2.99 a month or something like that, less than the price of a cup of coffee at Costa Coffee. You don't have to if you don't want to, you're not obliged to. If you would like to support me, however, there's other ways of doing it. You can send me some fuel via buy me a coffee, or you can hit the super chat or super thanks button down here, whatever it is. Here's the thing, if every person who views this video, and let's say there's 1,000 people who view this video, if every person leaves a £1 super thanks, that means that I can then put the fuel in the car to take me to places like the Isle of Skye, Loch Ness, up to John O'Groats, places that I just can't afford to travel to at the moment because of the cost of staying over and the cost of fuel. But if everybody that watches just hits a super thanks one time, that'll cover the cost of a few journeys. So don't feel obliged, but if you want to support me, and for those who already do, thanks very much. Anyway, enough waffle for me. Cheerio Kenmure Castle, and cheerio the now.